Hi guys, welcome back to the Buddha Tech. This video is all about how to create a contact form in WordPress. It's a very short video. So if you want to add a contact form to your WordPress site, in this tutorial I will show you how to create a contact form in WordPress step by step. I will use a popular plugin to make the process easy and straightforward, perfect for the beginners. So let's get started. To install the contact form, you need to log into WordPress site. I'm on my WordPress dashboard and I will demonstrate uh, a contact form I have been used before. This plugin is really handy to use your contact page. So I will be using the WP form in this video tutorial. So to install those contact form, I have already installed on my site from WordPress. So for you to do this, you need to go to the plugin here and just click add a new plugin and then search for WP form. So you can see 11 is available for my site and I can use any of them from my website. So you can choose which one is best for your website. I've been using this one. It's really good. So to use any contact form, you just need to install now. It will take a couple of seconds to active, then just press active. I highly recommend just watch out for review and then update it when they are updated. So choose the like latest update one and best review that will work for your website is more effectively. So I use this one for my site, so it's already installed on my site, so you can see where is it. Okay, so yeah, so it's on my site is here. So when it's active, they will show you, they will show up like on your dashboard. So if you want to use those forms, just click the WP forms and then add new. And they ask you some information or what purpose are you going to use those form. So just type the name, your form, and then some information here. So they will ask you to fill out and you need to fill out those information and then just create those form. So here is the example one. So you can use for like people can looking for like some information about your site. Maybe they can fill this form and you will automatically get this notification through your website on your email address. So they can fill out their name, first name, surname, email address, and their message and then submit. So simply like this form will update through your website to your email address. And if you want to use the blank one, just click here and fill out how you're going to design, but I'm not doing it here. You can design, you can add maybe more boxes here, okay, above the comment, or you can add more button here. How you going want to design, so you can use the blank one. So this form you can use for your like different pages, example like contact page or end of your blog post, so people can leave message, they comment, and any query, anything. So yeah, so you can use those WP form for your contact list. So that's all for this video. I hope this is helpful for you. So please do subscribe, like, share, and stay tuned for my next latest video. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye bye.